Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So here I'm capturing a dummy reel and tapping on preview, and I'm tapping on A and typing my text here. Done. And I'm making the text a little bit bigger, and after that tap on this text icon, and now all you have to need, just make this text to the center of the video and tap on done. And here you can see the text is started to appear and disappear. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.